guys. What's up? Yeah, it's Davidrew. Let's see. I'm going for a good run this time. So, pretty good. Fuck, missed that. Shit. Oh. I try to get cheeky with it. Oh man.
Okay, let's move out.
I try to get cheeky with it. I kinda deserve that one, but yep, I kinda deserve that. Yeah, going for a pretty good run right now. My first run in a while, so let's see how this goes. Okay. Call me out if I'm wrong, but good run this time. I'm locking in. For at least 5,000. Fuck, dude. I might aim for 10,000 actually.